Hello guys. Normally we need to collect and control 3 valves to achieve automatic drive. Cutoff valve, left and right steering valve. Left and right steering valve are used to control the hydraulic oil goes into left and right cylinder. The cutoff valve is used to cut off the hydraulic oil from the electro-hydraulic valve to the orbital valve to protect the original steering system. And also for the hydraulic solution, we need this part. We call it pressure sensor. So it can sense the pressure change when drivers turn the wheel manually. So it will activate the manual interval in auto mode. Imagine this. The tractor is automatically driving. The drivers want to control the steering wheel by himself. Then the system needs to sense this by the pressure sensor. The pressure sensor can sense the hydraulic oil pressure changes by the drivers. Sometimes the electro-hydraulic valves doesn't have the cutoff valve like this. Only left and right steering valve without cutoff valve. So this is different type of electro-hydraulic valve. And also sometimes some tractors may have installed a valve that acts as the cutoff valve. We call it back pressure valve, something like that. So for this different case, we may face four cases. So the installation varies according to different cases. So here is the different installation.
Okay, hello guys. Now we bring the auto steering system here, and now we show the connection part with the electric valve. First, we have two kinds of cables. We have two. You can see it's a little bit different, but we have the two different connectors now. And then it depends on the valve. You can use this type of connector or use this type of connectors. For example, this valve obviously is this kind of connectors, so we will use this cable. The cable should connect it to the secondary harness. It will connect it to the number 8 port. You can see there we have the number. Okay, we connected it together. And then there we have left, P, and right 3 cables. The left and right, you can connect it on the left and right of these two ports. After we finish the connection, if you find that the steering wheel is going to the wrong direction, then you can switch the two connectors to switch the left and right. Anyway, we will connect it to this one and this one. Okay, and the P is for the cutoff valve. The cutoff valve will make sure the system, when it's in the auto mode, there is no oil go to the orbital valve. So the cutoff valve is very important. We also have to connect it too. Right now you can see this valve, it only have the one port for cutoff valve, but some valves it will have two port for cutoff valve, we can divide the cable of cutoff valve to 2 pieces and then connect it both to cutoff valves. So if it is only one cutoff valve, then one port, then directly connect it. If it is 2, then cut off and then divide the cable to 2 pieces and then connect it both 2 ports. Okay, we connect it like this. Okay, now I can go check the terminal. There is no really hydraulic oils in the cables, but we can show the lights on the terminal. Can I go to this side? First, when you use the electric system, you have to create a new vehicle and then click edit. You have to switch the steering control type from the electric system to the hydraulic system. Click OK. And then you can check in the diagnostic center page. In this page, no longer motor version here, it's only the hydraulic control. Okay, after we finish the connections of the hydraulic systems, there is one important thing we have to done. First, we go to the menu, go to the driver debuggings, and you can see there we have the valve resistance, valve minimum current, and valve maximum current. This is 3 important values for the valves. For example, for our valve, the resistance is 3. And the minimum current is 0, and the maximum is 2,500. Okay, so these values is for our valves, but you have to enter these values if you are using a different valve. So it's a value that depends on your valve situation, and then you have to enter it correctly. So we can test it here. After you finish every part of connections, go to the technical support. The code is 2021-0406. Click OK, click OK. And then this is the driver debugging testing. So you can see when I click start, okay, the light of cutoff valve, you can see it is started working. It will cut off the hydraulic oil. The oil will never go to the orbital valve when you're using the auto mode. And then when we click clockwise, this light is on and it is working. When we click counterclockwise, this light is on and it is working. So this is only the demonstration, but if we have the hydraulic oil in our cables, then the steering cylinder will turn left and right and something like that. Okay, so if you see after the finished connections, if you see the light is going normally, it is turned on and off properly, that means the connection is finished and you can try to work on the real field.